Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert Figma to a website. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now as you can see right now on our screen, I have created a very simple page design over here. Now, to be able to convert this into a website, you're going to be using a plugin called, see over here, Figma to Webflow. Now you will be using Webflow as a third party to be able to export your design. So for example, over here, we have our design over here. You're simply going to select the Webflow site that you have. If you log into your Webflow, you will have different sites over here. You're going to select it over here. I suggest that you create a new Webflow site with nothing in it so that you could copy your Figma design to Webflow and simply click on copy to Webflow. By doing this, you will be able to convert your Figma design into your Webflow, and through Webflow, what you're simply going to do is you're going to publish it through that platform. And through that way, you will be able to publish your design into a website. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.